Hey fellas, Dan Brokos from Lead Faucet Tactical. Today, our drill of the day is our 25-second barricade drill on steel. We start at the 25. We got to get our 2 hits on a piece of steel, run up to our 20-meter barricade standing, 2 hits right, 2 hits left, run up to our 15-meter barricade, 2 hits left kneeling, 2 hits right kneeling, really doesn't matter what order. Hustle on back to the 25-meter line, end it with 2 hits on steel. All that should be accomplished under 25 seconds.
25-second barricade, here we go, fellas. Shooter ready? I am. Stand by. $18.70. I'll take that for an old man.